to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share it to your friends and your loved ones. By the title of this video, you already know what I'm about to talk about. I am about to show you guys my recent Zara Perfume purchase, or should I say addition. You guys already know that I'm becoming a fan of Zara fragrances because I know that like they've been putting in a lot of effort recently, and so I have like a few fragrances here to show you guys. So if you like to see this kind of video, then please keep on watching. Okay, so my first fragrance here is called Ebony Wood. I mean, if you follow me on Instagram, which I think you guys should be following me on Instagram, I'm going to insert my handle on the screen for you guys to see. My name is Obsy_P on Instagram. I have already posted a picture or pictures of the fragrances I'm about to show you guys. Yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram. So the first fragrance here is called Ebony Wood. I'm going to also be inserting the notes on the screen because I don't know the notes offhand. I've already had it for a while. As you can see, I have already created a dent on this fragrance. I really love this fragrance a lot. I feel like it does not smell like anything. It doesn't actually smell like anything in Zara that I'm used to. This smells very, very unique. I think it's also part of the collaboration with the perfumer that makes Jo Malone fragrances. So this is called Ebony Wood. This smells so woody, creamy, musky, at the same time very strong and potent. I think it also reminds me of the Tom Ford fragrance. I don't know how else to explain that very strong and bossiness that Tom Ford fragrances come with. This is what this reminds me of. So this is called Ebony Wood, and this is quite pricey for Zara fragrances, but then I understand why it is pricey. I think this retails for about $20 or $25, so that's about 7,000 forints if I'm not mistaken. This is 90 ml, which I think is quite decent, to be honest, for 7,000 forints or 8,000 forints. I can't remember. I would say you can wear this during the daytime if you're feeling bossy. Of course, this lasts longer than Zara fragrances, but I still think that this does not last as long as your other favorite niche fragrances or designer fragrances. So if you're going to be using this at night, you can use it, but then I'm not going to guarantee like 10 hours wear out of this particular fragrance. I can guarantee like 5 or 6 hours, but 10 hours I'm not really sure, so don't quote me on that. The next one I have on my list, guys, like I have been looking for this particular fragrance because I'm already used to the vibrant leather wood from Zara, and I like that one, but I think it's a bit more, it's leaning towards the masculine side, so I wouldn't wear it on me. Plus it's a dupe for Creed Aventus, and I don't like Creed Aventus. I mean, instead of paying 50-something thousand forints for Creed Aventus fragrance, I'd rather pay for Zara vibrant leather wood because I just think that they smell the same way and it's very much affordable. Get your hands on vibrant leather wood if you're looking for the alternative or a dupe for Creed Aventus. But on the other hand, they have come up with other flankers of the vibrant leather. So this is vibrant leather platinum, and they also have the vibrant leather, I think it's warm, I'm not really sure, and I don't really know how that smells, to be honest. But this one, when I smelled it, Jesus Christ, I think there's like tonka bean in this, and you know I love my tonka bean. I think this is my phase of liking creamy fragrances, something that makes it smell very edible, very scrumptious and very delicious. It's a perfect balance because it's not that creamy. It gives me the metallic vibe, or I don't know perfect word to describe this thing, but I know that this is a very beautiful fragrance. And of course, this was from the men's section. And for the Ebony Wood as well, they also have the men's variation, and I think that one probably appears or comes off stronger than the ones in the female section. So if you like a more intense fragrance, make sure you check out the men's section because theirs is usually made to be more intense. As the name implies, platinum, I'm imagining like some metallic thing because that's what I can get here. I can get the leather notes here, so it gives me leather and cream. I don't know, it gives me that leather and tonka bean. Like I said, I'm going to insert the notes on the screen just so that you guys can see. I'm not really sure of the notes in this, but definitely there's a leather note in here which I can totally get from it, and it just gives me leather and something creamy or something musky. I really love this one. This is something I'll wear day, morning, night. This is like my fresh out of the shower, fresh out of the shower scent. I said that right? Okay. Yeah, this is what I will spray in the morning. This is what I will spray before I go to bed. This is what I will spray if I'm just chilling around the house, because I just know that it's something that is going to sink into my skin. This can be my signature scent, like my base layer before I add any other scent on top of this. I really like this one. This smells very bougie as well. This smells very classy. Ooh, did I even mention the packaging? Packaging is beautiful, very classy, magnetic cap. I don't know who was their inspiration for this. And this is 100 ml. Of course, it's still also on the pricey side, so it's about 7,000 forints or 8,000 forints if I'm not mistaken. Now the next fragrance I'm going to show you guys here is a fragrance that I have been hunting. Like I said, if you're not following me on Instagram, you better follow me, because I usually put in all my like new finds or whatever recommendations my friends recommend to me. Like Lucy put me on this one. I had already posted it on my Insta stories. This is Night for Homme 5. This is how the bottle looks. Very, very beautiful bottle. Because I already know this collection or this range of fragrances, this wouldn't have been my first reach if I was going to go and buy fragrance from Zara. But then when I heard that this smells like Baccarat Rouge 540, guys, I tell no lies, this is the exact dupe of Baccarat Rouge 540. I couldn't believe. And you know Zara already has a dupe for Baccarat Rouge, which is the Red Temptation from Zara, which is literally sold out everywhere. That's equally a dupe for Baccarat Rouge 540. But then this one is an exact dupe. As in Red Temptation, I think the dry down of Red Temptation is when it smells more like Baccarat Rouge, not the opening note. But this one, from the beginning to the end, smells like Baccarat Rouge. The only problem I have with this particular fragrance is that it does not last as long. But then that's with every Zara fragrance anyways. But yeah, this is Night for Homme 5. Because I think there are different other like flankers or different numbers or whatever. But yeah, this is 5 Eau de Parfum, and this smells exactly like Baccarat Rouge. This was cheaper, way cheaper than the others. I think this was about 6,000 for it, so 5,995. When I'm not spraying my original Baccarat Rouge, I have so many dupes of Baccarat Rouge 540. So if you want to see a video on that, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's getting sold out now, so if you've not found out about this one, make sure you check it out in stores or online, because I know for a fact that this is getting sold out. I've checked in different stores and not all stores actually have this particular fragrance. And even when I bought this one, I legit bought the last one. I actually asked the sales girl to open the drawer to get me the last bottle. It wasn't even on display. That's how much everybody's running for this fragrance. So yeah, get your hands on this one. Like Baccarat Rouge, there's saffron, muskiness, very seductive, very sexy fragrance. I don't know why it was retailed in the men's section, because I think I rather this on women. But then I love sexy fragrances on men, to be honest. But then I see that a lot of guys don't know how to pull off sexy sweet fragrances on themselves. They rather wear the leather notes or like fragrances that are very strong and intoxicating, which I equally love, but I prefer the sexy fragrance. My last fragrance here I'm going to show you guys is equally a collaboration with the perfumer, I mean Jo Malone, and this is basically the Zara Emotions collection. And I already have I think this is 10 ml roller ball, and this was one of the first fragrances I got from this particular collection, and I just don't understand why I never bought the full bottle. This is called Fleur de Patchouli. The other one was Ebony Wood, so it's from the same collection or the same line. This is called Fleur de Patchouli, and I absolutely love this fragrance, guys. You know, patchouli is very, very sharp and very sweet. You know, if you like your Armani seed, like a box of patchouli, this doesn't even smell like that. This smells like a bossy patchouli. Like this smells like a stronger version of patchouli that is not sweet. So like a balanced, what's the word? I don't know the word to use, but then it's not sickly sweet, it's not slappy, it's not shouty. Like, I don't know if you understand the vibe that I'm talking about here, but like this really gives me a perfect balance. I really like this one, so I had to go and get the 40 ml bottle. One thing with Zara is that once they find out that a lot of people love a particular fragrance, for some reason they just don't restock. But then what they do is they bring it out in the next season with another name. I don't know why they do that. This is how it looks. It's very small, 40 ml. So at least I have 40, so almost 50 ml together. So this is the roller ball. You can just rub it on your, and it comes, or rub it here. Also very handy. You can fix this in your handbag. Very slim, very handy. It's fresh, it's floral. Oh my god, this is beautiful. You guys already know how I get with perfumes. If you don't like something that is very sweet, if you don't like something that is very, very floral, because I say this is floral, but then it's not like your average day wear floral fragrance. This is something that you can equally wear at night. But like I said earlier, the longevity of this fragrance is not guaranteed. I can guarantee you at least 5-6 hours, but then taking to 10 hours, 11 hours, nah, that's not for Zara fragrances. Hence, that's why it's very cheap anyways. It's not intoxicating. It's perfectly balanced, man. It's perfectly done. I think these are my favorite from the Zara Emotions collection. The Ebony Wood and the Fleur de Patchouli are definitely my favorite out of the bunch. I think this was 5,995. I can't really remember. So this was obviously cheaper than the 90 ml bottles. So that's all I have for my Zara fragrances, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My name is Obsy_P. I also have a candle haul coming. If that is something that you would like to see, candles from Zara, from H&M, like literally just all about candles. If you're like me that loves scents, then you definitely would love this one. Make sure you stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next one.